Welcome to my YouTube channel AK Rai. Unit 1 Class 12 Data Structure List Stacks Queues. Today I shall discuss stack application. Today's discussion is the continuation of my previous class stack. Use of stacks in computer science. The stack is one of the most pervasive data structure in computer science and programming. Stacks are used by operating system application softwares as well as compiler. More example of stacks in computer science. 1. Undo function use stack to pop most recent action of top of stacks, then second most recent, etc. Second, processing of function calls or subprogram calls. 3. Matching parentheses. 4. Polisting for arithmetic expression. 5. Recursion. Recursive function is most important application of stacks in programming languages. Arithmetic expressions. Arithmetic expressions can be written in three types of notations: infix, prefix, postfix. Infix notation. For the most common arithmetic operations, the operator is placed between its two operands. For example, 1. A plus B. Example number 2. A plus B plus C. Example number 3. A plus B within brackets into C. Example 4. A plus B within brackets into C plus D within brackets. This is called infix notation. In this expression, A and B are operands and plus, minus, into, division are operators with this notation. We must distinguish between A plus B within brackets into C and A plus B plus C within brackets by using either parentheses or some other operator precedence convention. Prefix notation. In the prefix notation, the operator precedes the operand. Prefix notation is called Polish notation after the Polish mathematician John Lukasius, who introduced it. The above expression in prefix notation varied in fixed space are: example 1 plus AB, example 2 plus A into BC, example 3 into plus ABC, example 4 into plus AB plus CD. Operator is written ahead of operands. Postfix notation. In postfix notation, also called reverse Polish notation, the operator succeeds the operand. The above expressions in postfix notation varied in fixed space are: example 1 AB plus, example 2 ABC into plus, example 3 AB plus C into, example 4 AB plus CD into plus. The expression written in postfix form are evaluated faster compared to infix notation, as parentheses are not required in postfix. Computer follows. In simple words, the arithmetic expression that we understand are infix expressions, and the arithmetic expression that the computer understands are postfix expression. So the computer usually evaluates an arithmetic expression written in infix notation in two steps. First, it converts the expression to postfix notation, and then it evaluates the postfix notation. Hence, the postfix expressions are easier for computer to understand and evaluate. Operator precedence in tabular form. Operators in the same box evaluate left to right. Operator description. First bracket, parenthesis for grouping. Double star, exponentiation. Tilde x, bitwise NOR. Plus x minus x, positive negative, unary plus unary minus, into front slash, double front slash, percentage sign, multiplication, division, float division, remainder division, plus minus, addition, subtraction, ampersand, bitwise AND, caret sign, bitwise XOR, pipe sign, bitwise OR, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to are relational operator. Is not is identity operator. In not in membership operator. Not x boolean not and boolean and or boolean or. Hierarchical order for this exercise only. Hierarchy of operators in an infix expression given below. Arithmetic operator and their precedence. Exponent, double star, highest precedence. Multiplication and division into front slash, middle precedence. Addition, subtraction, plus minus, lowest precedence. Logical operator and their precedence. Not highest and middle or lowest. Operators at the same level are executed in a left to right order. Operators may be enclosed within parentheses to override the above rules of hierarchy. Problem 1. Change in fixed expression a minus b divided by c double star d within bracket plus e into f within bracket to postfix. In postfix notation, we know that operator will come after operand. So the solution is step 1. Start with parenthesis and within parenthesis with the highest priority double star, that is exponent. A minus b divided by c d double star within bracket plus e into f within bracket. Here c d double star will be treated as single expression. Step 2. Start with another parenthesis and next higher priority into. So the given expression will change to a minus b divided by c d double star within bracket plus e f into within bracket. Here within bracket e f into will be treated as single expression. Step 3. After resolving parenthesis, start with the next priority division. So the given expression will change to a minus b b c d double star division within bracket plus e f into within bracket. Step 4. A b c d double star division minus within bracket plus e f into within bracket. Step 5. A b c d double star division minus e f into plus. The final result a b c d double star division minus e f into plus. The postfix expression free of parentheses. Problem 2. Change in fixed expression a minus b divided by c exponent d within bracket plus e into f within bracket to prefix. In prefix notation, we know that operator is before operand. So the solution is step 1. Start with parenthesis and within parenthesis with the highest priority double star, that is exponent. So the given expression change to a minus b divided by double star cd within bracket plus e into f within bracket. Here double star cd within bracket will be treated as a single expression. Step 2. Start with another parenthesis and next higher priority into. So the given expression change to a minus b divided by double star cd within bracket plus star ef within bracket. Here star ef within bracket will be treated as a single expression. Step 3. After resolving parenthesis, start with next priority division. So the given expression change to a minus division b double star cd within bracket plus star ef within bracket. Step 4. Minus a divided by b double star cd within bracket plus into ef within bracket. Step 5. Plus minus a divided by b double star cd into ef. So the final expression is plus minus a divided by b double star cd into ef. Note, prefix expression is free of parentheses. Problem 3. evaluate the postfix expression p equal to abc plus into de divide minus if a equal to 5, b equal to 6, c equal to 2, d equal to 12 and e equal to 4. The solution is step 1. First element a is an operand, push a into the stacks. Step 2. Second element b is also an operand, push b into the stacks. Step 3. Third element c is also an operand, push c into the stack. Continuation of problem 3. Step 4. Fourth element plus is an operator, pop two operands, that is elements of stacks, that is c and b, and evaluate the expression b plus c equal to 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Step 5. Push the result 8 into the stacks. Step 6. Fifth element star is an operator. Pop two top elements of stacks, that is 8 and a, and evaluate the expression a into 8 equal to 5 into 8 equal to 40. Step 7. Push the result 40 into the stacks. Step 8. Sixth element d is an operand. Push d into the stacks. Continuation of problem 3. Step 9. Seventh element e is an operand. Push e into the stacks. Step 10. Eighth element division is an operator. Pop two top elements of stack, that is e and d, and evaluate the expression d by e equal to 12 by 4 equal to 3. Step 11. Push the result 3 into the stacks. Step 12. Ninth element minus is an operator. Pop two top element, that is 40 and 3, and evaluate 40 minus 3 equal to 37. Step 13. Push the result 37 into the stacks. Continuation of problem 3. Step 14. End of expression. Pop from stack. The result is 37. Problem 4. Evaluate the postfix expression p equal to a, b, c plus star d e division sign minus if a equal to 5, b equal to 6, c equal to 2, d equal to 12 and e equal to 4. Note, the answer may be written in tabular form. Symbol scan a, push a, the value of a is 5, so stack status 5. B, push b, the value of b is 6, so stack status 5, 6. C, push c, the value of c is 2, so stack status 5, 6, 2. Plus is a binary operator, so pop c, pop b, push b plus c equal to 6 plus 2 equal to 8, so stack status 5, 8. Star, this is a binary operator, pop 8, pop a, push a into a equal to 5 into 8 equal to 40, so stack status is 40. D, push d, value of d is 12, so stack status 40, 12. E, push e, value of e is 4, so stack status 40, 12, 4. Continuation of problem 4. First line is current stack status. 40, 12, 4 is the current stack status. Symbol scan division sign. Division sign is a binary operator, so pop e, pop d, push d by e equal to 12 by 4 equal to 3, so stack status 43. Minus, this is a binary operator, pop 3, pop 40, push 40 minus 3 equal to 37, so stack status is 37. There is no more operand and operators, so final result is 37. Problem 5. Change the following infix expression into postfix expression. A plus b within bracket into c plus d divided by e minus f. Solution. We have added one opening and one closing parenthesis. The answer given in tabular form. We have used three words: push, pop and print. Push means push into the stack. Pop means taking out from stack. Print means sending to the output column. First stack is empty. Symbol scan, opening parenthesis, push into the stacks. Again, opening parenthesis, it is also into the stacks. So in stack status, two opening parentheses, a, this is an operand, print a means a has been sent to output column. Plus is an operator, so it has been sent to stack. So in stack, two opening parentheses plus, output are same. In output column only a, b, print b, so it has been sent to the output column. Stack status, two opening parentheses and plus, and output column a, b, closing parenthesis, pop and print. So plus has been sent to the output column. Again one opening parenthesis is popped. So stack status, only single parenthesis, into, push into the stacks. Output column a, b, plus c is an operand, so print, so it has been sent to output column. Stack status, first bracket into, and output column a, b, plus c. Continuation of problem 5. Second line is current stack status. Problem was a plus b within bracket into c plus d divided by e minus f. Current stack status, parenthesis, multiplication, current output status a, b, plus c. Symbols can plus is an operator, plus has a lower precedence than multiplication, so popped multiplication and it has been sent to the output column. After that, plus has been pushed to stack. So at present, stack status, parenthesis, plus output status ab plus c into, symbols can d is an operand, so print, and it has been sent to the output column. ab plus c into d. Division sign, it is an operator and it has higher precedence than plus, so it has been sent to the stack status. So stack status is parenthesis plus division sign, output column remains same. Symbols can e is an operand, so print, action taken, print, and e has been sent to output column. ab plus c into de. Symbols can minus, pop and print, so minus has lower precedence than division sign, so division sign has been sent to the output column. Again plus has higher precedence than minus, so plus has been sent to the output column. After that, minus has been pushed to the stacks. So at present, stack status, parenthesis minus, and output status ab plus c into de divided plus. Symbols can f is an operand, so print, so it has been sent to the output column. First bracket, symbols can, closing parenthesis, so pop minus, and it has been sent to output column. So the final result ab plus c into d e divided plus f minus. Problem 6. Evaluate the following postfixed expression using stacks and show the content of stacks after execution of each operation. True, false, or true, and false, true, or and. Solution. Symbols can true, operation push, stack true. Symbols can false, operation push, so in stack true, false. Symbols can or is a binary operator, so pop false, pop true, push true or false. Output is true, so in stacks true. Symbols can true, operation push, so stack status true. And is a binary operator, so pop true, operation push true and true. Output is true, so in stack true. Continuation of problem 6. The problem was true, false, or true, and false, true, or and. Second line is current stack status. Stack status was true. Symbol can false, operation push, so in stack true false. Symbol scan true, operation push, so in stack true false true. Symbol scan or is a binary operator, pop true, pop false. So push false or true is true, so in stack true true. And symbol scan is and is a binary operator, pop true, push true and true is true, so in stack true. Thus the stack will have a true value. Problem 7. Convert the expression true and false within brackets or not false or true within brackets to postfix expression. Show the content of stacks at every steps. To solve the above expression, we have used one set of extra parentheses. So the given expression can be written as first bracket true and false first bracket close, or not first bracket false or true first bracket close. To solve the problem, we have used three words: push. Push means push to the stacks. Pop means taken out from the stacks. Print means sending to the output column. Second row is empty. Symbol scan first bracket, action push, it has been sent to the stacks. Symbol scan first bracket, action push, it has been sent to stack status. Symbol scan true, action print means sending to output column. So stack status is two opening parentheses and output column is in true. And symbol scanned and action push, it has been sent to stack and the output remains same. Symbol scan false, action print, it has been sent to the output column. Tag status is same. Closing parenthesis, pop and print, so and has been taken out from the stack status and it has been sent to output column. Symbol scan or action push means sending to stack status column, so output column remains same. Symbol scan or action push means sending to the stack status column, so stack status column parenthesis or and output column remains same. Symbol scan not, action push means sending to stack status column, so stack status column parenthesis or not and output column remains same. Continuation of problem 7. Problem was true and false within bracket or not false or true within brackets. First line is current stack status. Symbol scan close opening parenthesis, action push means it has been sent to stack status column. Stack status column is first bracket or not first bracket. Output column remains same. Symbol scan false, action print means it has been sent to the output column. Output column is true, false and false. Symbol scan or action print means it has been sent to the stack status column. Stack status column is first bracket or not first bracket or. Output column remains same. Symbol scan true, action print means it has been sent to the output column. Output column is true, false and false true. Closing parenthesis, pop and print means it has been or it has been sent to the output column. Again closing parenthesis, pop and print not has been taken out and it has been sent to the output column. Again pop and print or has been taken out and it has been sent to the output column. So the final output is true, false and false, true or not or. Problem 8. Evaluate the following postfix expression using stacks. Show the content of stacks after execution of each operation. 120, 45, 20 plus 25, 15 minus plus star. The solution is in tabular form. Element scan 120, action push and it has been sent to stack status column. symbol scanned 45 action push, it has been sent to stack status column. 120 45 symbol scan 20 action push, it has been sent to stack status column. 120 45 20 symbol scan plus is an binary operator, pop 20 and pop 45, push 45 plus 20 equal to 65, it has been sent to the stack status column. 25 symbol scanned action push, it has been sent to the stack status column. Symbol scan 15 action push and it has been sent to the stack status column. At present stack status column is 120 65 25 15. Continuation of problem 8. The problem 8 was 120 45 20 plus 25 15 minus plus into. First line current stack status. Symbol scan minus. Minus is a binary operator. So pop 15 pop 25 push 25 minus 15 equal to 10. It has been sent to the stack status column. Plus, which is a binary operator, so pop 10 pop 65 push 65 plus 10 equal to 75, it has been sent to the stack status column. Star, which is a binary operator, so pop 75 pop 120 push 120 into 75, that is 9000, it has been sent to stack status. So there is no more operators or operands in the problem, so thus the final answer is 9000. Practice problems. First problem, evaluate the following postfix notation of expression 20 10 5 2 into minus 10 division. Answer 2. Problem number 2, evaluate the following postfix notation of expression 10 20 plus 25 15 minus into 30 division. Answer 30. Obtain the postfix notation for the following infix notation of expression showing the content of stacks and postfix expression formed after each step of conversion. A into B plus first bracket C minus D divided by F first bracket close. Answer A B into C D F division minus plus. Problem number 4, convert the expression A plus first bracket B into C minus first bracket D divided by F exponent F first bracket close into G first bracket close into H first bracket close into postfix notation showing the stack status after every steps. Answer is A B C into D E F exponent divide G H minus H into plus. End of stack application. Thank you for watching video.